Hello. So 300 videos. This is what I'm gonna talk about in this one. I made it to, yeah, basically that's it. This will make 300 videos. And the thing I'm thinking, like trying to kind of remember the things that changed between 200 videos and 300 videos. And I suppose the main things that I tried out was to add a nicer thumbnail to the videos, like something a little bit more standardized, maybe, just to kind of be a bit consistent. And I tried to make the text, like add some text to the thumbnail as well. And apart from that, I bought this very nice microphone that has been working out pretty well. Well, you are probably the best judge of that, because I know that it gets noisy sometimes when I'm out walking, and I'm sorry, but it's such a natural way for me to start off my day, to make a video or two, and it fits very well in with my schedule. So hopefully you can endure. I'll see if I can do something, tape a few videos in a more quiet area. But anywho, so apart from that, I made it to 50 subscribers, which was a really big, I know it's not like a massive number of people, and in comparison to the bigger channel, it's absolutely nothing, but to me it's absolutely not nothing. To me it was a really great feeling. I am going to be honest with you, when I actually noticed that I hit 49, and that entire day I was checking like every other minute, because I was so excited to be able to say that I actually made it halfway to my personal goal. And if you didn't know that, I had that goal set when I actually realized that people were, I actually set that goal when I made it to 100 videos, that I would like to try and see if I can get 100 subscribers without trying to, promote the channel or anything like that. And it actually happened. And it happened largely due to one specific video I made, which one of the viewers actually, I don't like mentioning names because I don't know if they want that type of publicity, but I know his name. And I'm very, very grateful that he did, because he did the exact thing I was hoping for was going to happen sooner or later. See, the thing is that I've been watching a few of these videos where YouTube creator inspirers, if you will, like they have videos basically teaching you how to make a nice YouTube channel. And I think that's great. I mean, I'm one of those people who, I always listen to people who know more about stuff than I do. A voice of experience is a-okay in my book, I will always listen to that. But the thing, and I got a lot of really great tips, and as I kind of suspected without them telling me, thumbnails and titles of the video, stuff like that, it's fairly important. I get that. And then they had things such as do research and like other things such as collaboration, sub for sub, all kinds of different tricks. And the thing is that I get why these things are important. I understand where all of this is coming from, but at the same time, I felt this cringe where I didn't really like. I didn't want. I can maybe if someday I get you get to a point where you have so many subscribers that you're trying to make a business out of your YouTube channel, like maybe then these things make sense. But to me, it felt like if I started doing things like that, everything would be about it would be about the number of users, and it wouldn't be about the quality of the videos, because believe it or not, I'm actually trying to make videos that I think are lacking in general. I don't see, I wish I had some bigwig super programmer who made videos about his or her life and talked about general stuff and mindset and made tutorials that the sort of tutorials that I enjoy. But since I think there's too few of those around, that's why I decided to make my own, right? And so I don't want to go down the route of this, a good example of what I don't want to end up doing is something like the simple programmer It's I mean, it's a great. I watched The Simple Programmer as well, but to me it feels too. It's too well kept. To me, it's like watching TV Shop. It's so touched up to the point where it doesn't feel genuine anymore. And maybe that's where it's all heading. Maybe that's where I'm gonna head up and end up one day as well. I don't know, but right now it doesn't feel right for me anyway. Anywho, so apart from that, you know, that one video that was shared, it had, you know, it got some, you know, some publicity. I think 290 something views or something like that very quickly, and it was largely due to this viewer who shared it on Reddit, which I was really grateful. I felt absolutely amazing because as I was trying to say earlier, this is exactly what I wanted. I wanted to be the sort of person who I wanted to create content that was good enough that the people who truly want to watch it and truly need it would actually share it themselves. I don't want to be, because I don't want to sit on like social media and try to push my stuff on people. I just, you know, if I put it out there and if somebody likes it, then hopefully, you know, it gives them some value, then, you know, hopefully they'll share it themselves if it's good enough, because I want the content to speak for itself. I don't want to be a strategic, at least not yet. Maybe someday, I don't know. But, you know, being strategic and trying to figure out what videos to make in order to reach, you know, popularity and stuff like that. There's so many people already doing that, and the content they produce is, you know, a result of that. They have more popular, you know. And that might be right for them, but it's not right for me, at least not now. So what I'm gonna try now is that I noticed that since this video was doing fairly well, it had, I want to think that the reason why it did well was because it was more aimed towards sharing a story from my life and a little bit about trying to inspire people to believe in themselves and, you know, try out programming and so forth. So I'll try and see if I can do a few more of those maybe. And I will also try to make more tutorials now. I've been starting on a few where it's not just talking, where we actually go through code and like go more concrete into specific examples and so forth. And hopefully I'll make it to 400 videos. Yeah, that's basically it. Apart from that, I hope you have a great day.